Greetings, wizards and wizard apprentices. My name is Kelly, and I'm so glad you're here for this beginner mini album walkthrough. If you're looking for an easy beginner level project, this is the project for you. If you're looking to make a fast gift, this is also the project for you. This project was designed with the beginner in mind. Therefore, we're using minimal equipment and minimal supplies. This album measures 6.5 inches tall by 6 3/4 inches wide, and it has a 2-inch spine. A full video tutorial will be available for this project. There's a written cut guide with a supply and equipment list in the description. We have a ribbon closure. This album has 3 signatures. It's an accordion with many spots for photos. We've got spots for 6 photos here. Each of our signatures has a pull-out with space for a photo on the back. And we have a belly band and a pocket here. Our next page is a layout, and we have tuck spots. Again, each signature has a photo mat. This page is the opposite of the other side of the page, with a couple of photo mats and tuck spots. And we have a belly band and a pocket here for plenty of photo storage. We have another pull-out with a photo mat on the back. And really, you can put photos on the front and the back. And then here we have a cute little waterfall. Plenty of space for photos. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for notifications when the tutorial is ready in just a few days. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!